Hello, magandang hapon sa ating mga level 4 graduate students or mga patapos na ng mga level 4 students natin na nag-aantay na lang credential pero nagpaplano or may plan sila na mag-move up sa next level, yung level 5 natin. So, yan, good news sa ating mga kababayan. So, level 5 UK Diploma in Health and Social Care are now open for enrollment. You can join the free startup class this coming Friday at 12:30 p.m. Kuwait time. If you are residing here in Kuwait, you just check the corresponding time zone if you are outside of Kuwait. Okay? So, see you this coming Friday. To our students, ating mga estudyante, pwede kayong mag-join. Okay? So, wala siyang bayad. At least magkaroon kayo lang ng idea what this level 5 is. Okay? At makapag-try kayo ng isang klase. Okay? Lalo na kung yung target ninyo for employment na mas mataas yung level kasi nga ngayon lahat ng countries, especially sa Australia, New Zealand, or Canada is meron na silang mga standard requirements for the minimum educational attainment ni students for their application sa mga respective countries. So may mga target na magkakaroon ng higher level of diploma, grab nyo nito yung chance, book kayo dito sa ating form for registration of attendance for this UK Diploma in Health and Social Care Level 5. Okay, so see you sa online this coming Friday, mga students sa Level 4. And yan po, God bless you. Muli ito sa ICSA, Miss Lee, nagsasabing ICSA, your partner in success. See you po. Bye-bye.